Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vaibhav Bansal. Today we are going to discuss about the 15 days planner for the September 25 exams. The ICI has released the date sheet for the September 25 exams, and your exam for the direct text is on 10th of September 25th. Okay, so for that you have to now prepare very fast and speedily with thorough understanding of the concepts in the question, because ICI is usually asking the concepts, asking and testing you on the concepts rather than they repeating the same old questions again and again. They are framing the conceptual questions these times. Okay, so you must be the conceptually clear about all these things. So based on those analysis, I have comprised the whole subject, whole syllabus of the direct taxation in just 15 days, that you have to allot the time of those 15 days to the direct taxation exams only. Okay, so if you are starting your exam, if you are starting your preparation for the direct taxation, so for the day one you have to start with the basic concepts and the other sources, and the number of hours including the practice of questions is given to you. Okay, that the basic concept must take only 2 hours a day. Okay, 2 hours in the day one, and it includes the it includes the practice of the question which you might have marked in your first revision or while the classes. Okay, so these 2 hours you have to give in day one for the basic concepts, and the income from other sources the 6 hours. This is a B category chapter. So I have divided everything that the ICI study material chapter, okay, ICI study material chapter for the common purpose use, okay, and also the number of hours that you might have, you should allot in these particular chapter along with the category which they belong, whether it belongs to A category, B or C category. Okay, then the day 2, day 3 and day 4 and so on, you will go to the day 14, and day 15 will be all the balance topics. Okay, and this is also a C category chapter, which is an exempt income which do not form part of your total income. You can give it to 2 or 3 hours, and after that the balance topics you have to focus on. This is your target till 15 days. Okay, now when the ICI will announce the September 25 attempt, the judicial or the statutory update, we will update on this particular channel itself. So do subscribe this particular channel. Okay, the judicial and statutory updates are very important for the May 25 attempt and then September 25 attempt. Okay, so you also have to refer the September 25 attempt judicial and statutory updates. Okay, then solving the RTP and MTP of the September 25 and the May 25 and the September 25 attempt is extreme important. Okay, whenever the September 25 RTP MTP will be released, will also I am also going to make you a video regarding solving of all the questions of the RTP and the MTPs. Okay, you have to at least practice 2 mock tests before going to your exams at home in an exam environment, and this planner also includes the practice of questions that I have already mentioned. Okay, this particular planner gives you a fair idea of number of hours that you have to allot to a particular chapter, because sometimes what students used to do, they allocate excessive time to a particular chapter which that particular chapter does not need, okay, does not deserve. So for that particular purpose I have also given the number of hours. Okay, but if you need that, I want this, but I'm not very good at this particular topic, so if you want to give extra time to it, you can give, no issues, but try to complete the whole subject within 15 days itself. And the tracker is also given on the next page to track your status of every day. Like the day one, the targets which is given is there. Okay, and whatever the time you have taken and whether the topic is completed or pending, you have to write. This is the particular planner that I have already given to you. This planner, this the PDF of this planner will be available on my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, the link is in the description box. You can join there. If you find any topic difficult, okay, you are not confident about the direct taxation, so you can join our direct taxation exemption series, which is under 100 hours, which is under 100 hours. We have completed the major chapters, of your direct taxation exams at a regular speed. At a regular speed means that I have covered this chapter like a regular course, okay, or exam oriented course, which I focused on the concepts along with the questions as well. Okay, so these are the chapters which I have covered in this particular series. So if you have any problem with these chapters or your concepts are not strong, so you can definitely refer to our exemption series available in the link. The link of this exemption series is also available in the description box as well. And the test series is also available. You can avail that particular test series as well for the September 2025 attempts. All the judicial and the statutory update for an attempt will also be uploaded on this particular drive if you have enrolled for the course, or as well as in your YouTube channel on which you are seeing this particular video. Okay, so this is all the very best. Start working hard, start preparing hard. You have to become CA in the September 2025 attempt. Make it a promise. Do a promise to yourself that you are going to become CA in the upcoming attempt. All the very best.